Howdy folks, this is Trio Travelers. We're in Chicago, Illinois at the Millennium Park. Water running on this, I'm not sure what it's called, but this tower. Kids playing around. Here's this. Some kind of projection of people, they say. I don't know if you can see that because the sun is right at me. Water standing down at the bottom. And that middle part right here, if I can, I'm not sure I can tell you, like right there somewhere, there's a big spout of water coming down, just like a faucet from a tub or a sink. It did a little while ago, but this is fun. There it goes, there it goes. Oh, there it goes. The other side too. I'm going to turn it over to the other side. It's coming through the mouth of that person in the wall. Well, I hope you enjoy, and let me know if y'all been here at the Millennium Park in Chicago. Like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.